Howdy everyone, it's me, Manic coming to you from the bunker system located underneath the art villa found somewhere in the jungles of the Midwest. And today we're celebrating the upload of my 500th video. That's right, my 500th video. And we're celebrating with Hoover the Wonder Pug, and I've got some jerky strips for Hoover as a celebration, for us as a celebration, and I'm gonna just take a swig of Maker's Mark, and we're gonna have a little party down here together. And it's not 500. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, 10, 50, but no, 100, 400. So it's not 500 yet. That's what you're telling me. Stay. It's over. It's over. I'm telling you. Forget it. You can't have a treat. It's not 500 yet. No treats. I'm not going to have a treat. Nope. Well, alright. I don't want to deprive you. He's just a little dog. I'm just going to break it in half. You can't have the whole thing. It's not 500 yet. Not 500. Not. There you go. I think he likes it. It smells pretty good. Oh, what the hell? God damn, how could you eat this crap? Oh my God. That's horrible. I'm putting that back. I'm gonna write a letter to the company. Oh, gag me.